Really hasn't changed much since it was built. in
Really?
1849.
Okay.
Except for the interior decorations, the furnishings, the carpeting, the wallpaper.
Wow.
The house itself is original, and my favorite part about this house is as you walk through, you'll
Uh-huh.
hear the floors creaking.
Yeah, it's still.
These are the original floors from 1849.
Wow.
And this is a room that would have been a living room, but it turned into a temporary hospital waiting room since this became the hospital where Lincoln laid as he finally slowly passed away.
Wow.
There would have been a nice couch here, tables and chairs for family and friends to come and try to console her. This was the back parlor of the home, but it was at the time rented as a bedroom. This was a boarding home.
Yeah.